Have you ever heard of the dog that became a sergeant? Meet Sergeant Stubby, a stray dog who rose to fame in World War I. In 1917, a soldier named John Robert Conroy found Stubby wandering on Yale University's grounds. Recognizing his potential, Conroy smuggled Stubby to France with his unit. Stubby quickly became a mascot and was beloved by the soldiers. But his courage on the battlefield was what truly set him apart. He warned soldiers of gas attacks and located wounded men. Stubby's bravery didn't go unnoticed, earning him the rank of sergeant. He even captured a German spy, cementing his legendary status. After the war, Stubby returned home as a hero. He became a symbol of loyalty and valor. Isn't it amazing what one small dog achieved? Hit the like button if you love heroic tales.